What's up, dudes? Today we're getting our car ready for the weekend, for the races. We gotta figure out what's wrong with it. Now that we know what's wrong with it, we gotta fix it. So basically, we're gonna take off this panel right here, get it all straight, make it all not chickered up right here, so it's ready to go win some races. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Now that I straighten this out and it's ready to go on, before I do that, I gotta make this look not so shitty. So it's all pretty, so all the hot girls can come to my pit and we can have some fun. I'm gonna get that straightened out real quick. We got the wheels turned around because I'm too lazy to grab the jack. And this is way smarter this way instead of the other dumb way. Let's see if we get the job. Oh yeah, this is way better. Right now we're just fighting this crease right here. Let's see if we can get this block in there. Or something skinnier to pop it out. You dig? Let's see if we can get all western up in here. From the inside, it's a lot easier to push it back in than push it out. You feel me? That's what we're gonna do real quick. A little time lapse. We're back cranking on it, and the smart thing to do here is take the whole fender off, just beat it till it's straight. But since we got this thing, we can hide up all the imperfections. So it's all looks bent on the inside. On the outside, you can't really tell the difference. Just hide it up. All we gotta do is push this edge out. Maybe clean up just a little bit. Ready for that. Now we've kind of got it looking good enough for the inside. Those bad boy on. And rivet this bad bitch up on there so it looks all pretty. We'll grab the rivets. We're gonna get this thing done. Now all we gotta do, put this thing on there, rivet her on, paint her up, she's ready to go. I'll grab a couple rivets to hold her up tight. Trusty rivet gun here. And I know all you're asking, Isaac, how'd you get such a nice pit rivet gun? You're so handsome and awesome. I know. This ain't mine. It's my stepdad's. We can't tell the difference. Oh yeah. Now she's on there. Just go around, rivet her all up. Should be looking all nice and juicy. All we gotta do now is connect the support. You can see it's all bent like. It shouldn't be like that. So we're disconnect it, bang it on the ground, strain it up, reconnect it to the fender like that. Real quick. Trash can's currently MIA right now. So we're gonna be dumping all these pop rivet tops in the Pepsi can. These are easy to take off. You just put it in reverse, squeeze, and you pull them off right in your handy trash can. Bada boom, bada bang. Now we gotta clean this up real quick. Sometimes here's a leftover pop rivet. Best thing to do there is just pop them out with a hammer. Then you can finally drown them out. Bada boom, bada bang. This part's a little bent. Straighten her up. She's ready to install, baby. Now we got this supporter installed. All we gotta do is connect the fender to the support. And she should be structurally done after that. All we gotta do after that is just paint it up. We'll look just right. That hole drilled out. Just try to pop rivet that baby in. Real easy. Just gotta find the hole. Oh, like butter. Like butter. She ain't going goddamn nowhere. Oh, I forgot a couple poppers. It's easy to fix them. I might have to tap this side in a couple. Slide right in. Ooh. This hole is a little off center, so you just gotta boom, boom, boom. That's more structurally sound than stock right there, boy. All we gotta do, grab a couple paintbrushes, so you get yellow paint. Make it look all nice. You got there a freaking NASCAR fender, boy. All you do is get your super premium tractor paint. Find yourself a little flathead screwdriver. It's like cheese. Give that bitch a stir. Lay down something on the floor. So you don't get yelled at for dropping paint on the floor. Get your brush all up in there. Light strokes. Put a nice even coat. for all the pit lizards you're gonna get when you get the check flag and you're holding that trophy. It's all be worth for something. Right here, we got a nice looking car. Don't forget. If you end up getting paint on the floor, just use some gas. It'll rub out just fine. But yep, do even coats. Let it dry. Put a second layer on. Should be all ready to go. As you can see now, we got a mess, but we got a nice fender. So as we wait for this paint to dry, put another coat on. Clean up a little quick. Sweep up all the pop rivets. No holes in tires and get her done. Now once you get your fender all done, you'll be like, Isaac, my fender looks too good. I have too many bitches. What do I do now? Well, if you did it right, that means you should have paint all over the backside because you're trying to sweep and you got paint. I purposely did that just in case that happened to you. So we're gonna solve this problem. Then you say, hey Isaac, what did I do? How did I get this paint on my pants? This is what you do right here. Get you some gasoline. So just grab your gasoline. I don't got that much left. Just, oh, I ain't got enough. Oh. Once you got all the gasoline on yourself, you might say, hey Isaac, now what do I do?